If you want to know how to use keyframes in ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So let's say that we need to, for example, add animation to these cubes and we want to move them from one corner to the another one, for example, like this. So from this corner to this corner, do we have the solution? How can we do this? Basically, yes, we have the solution. Unfortunately, ClipChamp doesn't provide any opportunities to add some keyframes, but how can we animate basically? So the first step we need to do is just to find the first location and then just zoom our timeline as much as possible, for example like this, and then just place our marker for a little, click on split, and then just move our cubes for a little, and then just do the same one more time and one more time. And it will provide us the opportunity to create an animation by ourselves, frame by frame. And this is the only one way of how can we interact with frames in ClipChamp. Unfortunately, it doesn't provide any opportunities to animate our figures or do some other stuff. So maybe in the future they will create something like this, but now this is the only one way of how can we interact with our frames. So as for me, it's definitely not the best solution, but at least you can try to do it by yourself, and maybe it will fix your problem if you need, if it's necessary as for you. So let's try to view how does it look like as for us now. So it looks like this. And as you can see, cubes are moving for a little. Of course, you can try to add less space between frame changing and so on. For example, decrease this size right up here. For example, we can try to select it, try to change the duration and so on. So unfortunately, this is the only one way of how can we do this on ClipChamp. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.